Alright, so let's talk about paving stone colors, because the only one that most people understand is charcoal. Everything else is a cryptic name, and it's hard to decipher a little bit until you know what the heck they all mean. And so what we do internally is we try and break things down and make things easy for people. So when we go through the colors, what we're trying to do is figure out, okay, what is the color palette that you're looking for? Are you looking for mostly grays, mostly browns? Are you looking to add in some reds? Are you looking to stay single tone, or are you looking to go multicolor? Now, most of the industry now is going towards a 3-color blend or a multicolor blend, and so you're going to get a little bit of different colors so that they work with a variety of different materials. So things that you're trying to match to or accent or complement are things like your shingles, your siding, your stucco, any of your stone accents on your house. Those are the things that you want to look at to determine what's going to be the best color for the stone on your hardscape project. So when we're talking about colors, we're talking about one of our most popular is Victorian. Well, what the heck does Victorian mean? It's a gray charcoal tan blend, but it's mostly gray. There's little shots of tan in there, but it's going to be mostly a two-tone gray. It is our most popular color in Saskatchewan. We have a rustic color, which has a red charcoal type of blend to it. The other color, if you're looking for browns, is Toscana. So Toscana is kind of a tan brown charcoal blend. So those are kind of the main colors. Then you get into different things. So charcoal, again, easiest to understand. It is just like a really deep gray color. We also get into things like Rocky Mountain blend, which is a different type of brown charcoal mix and is available only in certain colors. They're coming out with a new color called Tofino. This is kind of a really light gray and a smoky gray type of color combination. It almost makes the light gray look a little bit whitish, and it's a very, very cool thing. We also get into things like sandstones and then just regular grays. So, but the main thing to remember when you're selecting colors is, what am I looking for? Am I looking for mainly gray? Am I looking for mainly brown? Because when you look at a sample, especially when we're dealing with these 3-color blends, it's hard for us to just give you a single paver that's going to be representative of the color blend. What you have to do is look at the big picture and how that works together. So let our style consultants help you out with that, using the accents of your house as a guide, and we can show you projects. That's why we have the big displays here as well, so that you can look at the color palettes in a big laid out area, so that you can see, okay, that's what the big picture looks like, instead of looking at the micro individual stones that one might be mostly brown, one might be mostly gray, but when you blend them all together, you're going to get a really nice mix. So that's kind of a bit of a breakdown, trying to demystify what those names mean when you're looking at hardscape colors.